could not pass up capturing this beauty. Isn't this site gorgeous? I am in Shiprock, or I'm passing through Shiprock, New Mexico, and there's really hardly anything out here, but I think a lot of this area, now I could be wrong, but I'm just going off of what I saw passing up here, like the Navajo, like different industries, and the area that I was just in, they have a lot of Native Americans out here, which is pretty cool, really cool. It's nice to come out here and visit a different part of the U.S. that I've never been to before, but the natural beauty or the formation of this area is just, I don't know, to me it's peaceful. The signal's not the best. It keeps going in and out, which isn't good, because someone like myself would actually pull over and go exploring, but because the signal isn't too good, I'm not going to. But what that reminds me of is that I actually need to get a satellite phone. I need to definitely get a satellite phone so that I can go off grid a little bit more and have more flexibility when there's like no cell service at all. But I hope you guys taking this drive, taking the view. I'm not sure if the camera will do it justice, but in person it is gorgeous. Now I live in Florida, and in Florida I would never see any type of like terrain like this. Just the natural architecture is just gorgeous. But it just goes to show you how important it is just to get out and explore your environment. Like, there's nothing that says, like, that is set in stone that says you have to remain such and such and such. If you don't like where you're at, change it. If it's not easy to change, like 1, 2, 3, work at it. Make a plan and make it happen. If you want to explore living someplace else, then take the chance and just do it. Explore it. If you don't like it, you can always go back to where you were before, but at least you can say that you tried it, right? I remember years ago when I was first moving to Florida, I moved from New York, and my family in New York was just like, you know, why Florida? There's really no one there, you know, family-wise and stuff like that. And I told him, I said, hey, I've lived in New York all of my life, and I'm gonna try Florida. I also have family in Nevada, in Vegas. So I said, I'll try Florida, and if it doesn't work out in Florida, I have 48 other states to try, right? 48 other states that I have not lived in to try. And that was my plan. My plan was to at least give Florida a try. And 13 years later, I'm still in Florida. I'm still loving Florida. Now, don't get me wrong. I have visited other places where I question myself. I ask myself, can I see myself living here? Is this an environment where I feel at peace, comfortable? Can I thrive? Can I progress here? And there's some places I feel at home. I went to Albuquerque, New Mexico for the first time on this trip, and that is one place I can say I felt like I can move there, live there, be there. And then I've always said to myself, if I ever move out of Florida, I would go to Nevada, to Las Vegas. I do like the vibe, like the family vibe in Vegas. Outside of the tourist stuff, I think Vegas do have a good family vibe. Now, no matter where you go, there's always going to be good and bad, right? Like, no place is absolutely perfect, but it's what you make of it, right? Like, you might share with someone, oh, I'm thinking of moving here and here and here, and they may give you 101 reasons, 1,001 reasons why you should not move. And it could be just their fears that they're speaking through, but don't let that deter you. If you have it in your heart, if you want to do it, try it. experience life, do it. But yeah, I just wanted to share some of this beauty here with you guys, just so you can see what I'm experiencing, and hopefully through the video you can also experience it too. Forgive the camera if it's a little bit shaky. There was a little bit of a disclosure. There was a sign I passed a while back that says that the road is a little bit rough, which it is, so it makes the camera a little bit shaky. But I'm gonna go for now, and if I have anything else to share, I'll come back and give you guys a little bit of a drive tour. But thanks again for listening and for checking out the drive. Like and subscribe the video, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And comment down below where else you would like to see me do a drive tour of. Take care.